Well, good morning. It's February 20th, 2020, and we are on our way back to Croydon, Pennsylvania, to the same client's house that we moved the heater vent in. Today we're going to do a final sand on the drywall in the master bath, and we're going to paint it. So stay tuned for that right after this.
You better hold on and buckle your seatbelt. The thing's about to get really quick around here. I don't know about you, but I feel awful exhausted after that one. Wow. If he could really move that quick, he could make some serious cash. But he can't.
But I do work steady, and I get as much done as I can for my clients, so rest assured your project will get the attention it needs. Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please share, and I'll see you on your project.